Once upon a time, in the heart of a vibrant town, there stood a cheerful little school known as Sunshine Elementary. The school's motto was Building Tomorrow, One Smile at a Time. It was a place where joy and learning went hand in hand. At Sunshine Elementary, the classrooms were filled with laughter, curiosity, and the sound of eager footsteps. Mrs. Thompson, the kind-hearted principal, believed that a positive atmosphere was the key to fostering young minds. She always encouraged the teachers to create an environment where every child felt valued and supported. One day, a new student named Lily joined Sunshine Elementary. Lily was shy and had recently moved to the town with her family. She felt nervous about making friends and fitting in at her new school. However, the moment she stepped into her classroom, she was greeted by warm smiles and welcoming faces. The teacher, Mrs. Rodriguez, noticed Lily's hesitation and immediately decided to make her feel at home. The class embarked on a project to create a smile wall, a colorful display showcasing drawings and messages of encouragement from each student. The goal was to spread happiness and build a sense of community. As the days passed, Lily found herself drawn into the vibrant world of Sunshine Elementary. The kindness of her classmates and the supportive environment helped her open up, make friends, and discover her own talents. She began contributing to the Smile Wall with drawings of her favorite things and positive affirmations. The Smile Wall became a symbol of the school's commitment to building tomorrow, one smile at a time. The sense of unity and shared happiness inspired not only the students but also the teachers and parents. The school organized community events, inviting families to join in the joyous atmosphere. Sunshine Elementary became known not just for its academic excellence but for the smiles that radiated from its students. The motto echoed through the town, and other schools started adopting similar principles, creating a ripple effect of positivity. In the end, Sunshine Elementary had indeed succeeded in building a brighter tomorrow, one smile at a time. The children grew into confident, compassionate individuals who carried the spirit of joy with them throughout their lives, and so, the legacy of Sunshine Elementary continued to spread, leaving an indelible mark on the town and building a tomorrow filled with happiness and hope.